In this video, I am going to teach you how to withdraw funds from Kraken to your bank account using an Interac or SEPA transfer. This is perfect if you're ready to cash out your crypto earnings securely. Let's get started. First, go to kraken.com and sign in using your email and password. Make sure your account is verified to enable withdrawals. Next, in the Home section, click Transfer at the top right corner of your dashboard. This opens up your transaction menu. Then choose Withdraw from the list to begin the withdrawal process. It will show you different asset types you can withdraw. In the next section, you'll see options like cash, crypto, or stocks. For this tutorial, I'll choose Euro as the example. You can pick your preferred currency based on what you funded. Choose your preferred method. I'll go with via Bank SEPA for this demonstration. SEPA is a fast and reliable method for European bank accounts. Just fill up all the necessary details like your bank info and amount. Then click Continue to confirm your withdrawal and finish the process. And that's how you withdraw funds from Kraken to your bank using Interac or SEPA in 2025. If this helped, drop a like and subscribe to How to Tutor for more simple tutorials. See you next time!